Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Commander XTP 1000. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it with the accent lights. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. So with this Street Legal kit, it is going to replace these lights right here on both sides. When you have the key in the on position or the machine's running, you do have the daytime running lights that are always on. How do we activate the Street Legal kit? Just like in your car. Down will be left. You do have those nice indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. Very nice there. Let's see how they look in the front. Oh yeah, very nice looking light. Got some functionality, got some good looks. Looks factory for sure. And then around the back, man, that's a good looking machine. Around the back, it does tie into the stock tail lights, as you see there, utilizing all of those LEDs. Obviously, up will be right. And you do have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. Horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Let's see how the hazards look. Very nice. Good visibility from all angles for sure. And around the back. If you're worried about people coming up from behind, utilizing all of these LEDs and the stock tail lights is definitely the kit and the way to go. Instead of, installing 1 3/4 inch amber LED or something up in there. You do have the license plate mounting hardware as well that comes with this kit, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. There's many different places you can mount it. This particular customer wanted it right where it's at. The Ryco Street Legal kit / turn signal kit's going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors, 1 on each side of the driver. This particular customer decided to go with the Can-Am side view mirrors. Very nice. And of course, this model does come with their premium rear view on it already. Please check with your local state to make sure you can make your street legal. If you can't make it street legal, you can still add the kit on there, give you some visibility, and let people know what you're doing. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We do have these kits available for every side-by-side and ATV on the market. Have a great day, everybody. Oh yeah, one last thing. When you go to release the four-way hazard function, you cannot push that red lever back in. Simply go up or down with the lever. Have a great day, everybody.